Okay. Hi students, once again welcome back to our channel VA Academy. Today we will discussing about the physics video part 2. Okay, let's start. The first question, the phenomena of polarization of light is the right answer. Light waves are transfer waves because the phenomena caused due to the wave nature of electromagnetic radiations. These waves are called electromagnetic waves because they form when an electric field that interacted with a magnetic field. The second question, the rate of loss of heat by a hot body depends upon, the right answer is D. Third question, metal teapots have wooden handle because wood is a bad conductor of electricity heat. The right answer is A. Fourth question, below the following which one is a scalar quantity? That is energy. D answer. Next question, what are the primary colors? The primary colors, the right answer is A. Red, green, blue. Generally, we are called RBG. Okay. Next question. The white vitriol is hydrated. The right answer is copper sulfate. The next question. Which metal is not found as a liquid? The right answer is C. The next question, the sum of number of protons and neutrons of neutrons are called mass number. The atomic number means the number of protons or electrons. The atomic number can be represented by the symbol Z. The mass number can be represented by the symbol A. Next question, which base is present in soap? Generally, sometimes they are giving the answer ammonium hydroxide, but the most probably sodium hydroxide used as a soap, present in the base as a soap, because sodium hydroxide causes saponification and it is essential ingredient of soap making. The next question, which bond is weakest in nature? The right answer is D, hydrogen bond. Single bond, hydrogen contains single bond. The double bond means oxygen double bond. Two pairs of electrons are participate in the chemical reaction. That bond is called double bond. The triple bond, three pairs of electrons are participate in the chemical reaction. That bond is called triple bond. Nitrogen. So the triple bond is more stronger because 1 sigma and 2 pi bonds are present in the triple bond. 1 sigma and 1 pi bond is present in the double bond. 1 sigma only present in the single bond. Next one, diamond and graphite are the allotropes of the carbon. Next question, the ore of mercury is cinnabar. Next question, a man is standing on a boat in still water. If he walk in the boat towards the shore, the boat will be, the right answer is A, moves away from the shore. Next question, light year is the unit of, the right answer is distance. The measurement of the light year is the astronomical units, the distance between the sun and earth. Next question, lumen is the unit of, the right answer is B, luminous flux. Next question, the weight of an object of mass is 1 kg can be expressed, the right answer is C, 9.8 newtons. Okay. The next question. The velocity of light in vacuum or air. The right answer is actually C. That is the mistake. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Please correct that one. The next question. Water has maximum density at 4 degrees centigrade. Next question. A cricket player catches the fast coming ball by pulling his hands back because the right answer is C. The ball can extract a larger force. The next question. After a shower of rain, the rainbow is seen. The right answer is B. Options of okay. The right answer is B. Opposite the sun. At a man make an angle of 42 degrees, only he can see the rainbow. Next one. The universal law of gravitation was proposed by. The right answer is C. The type of mirror used in the headlamp of car is. The right answer is parabolic concave mirror. D answer. Next one. Which of the following pair does not have the same dimensions? That is the answer A. Force and pressure. The next question. The semiconductor has a negative temperature coefficient. Generally, pure metals typically have positive temperature coefficient of resistances. A negative coefficient for a material means that its resistance decreases with an increasing its temperature. Semiconductors materials carrying have the negative temperature of resistance. That is the answer. Light of different colors are arranged below in order of increasing. The right answer is D. The next question. The rainbow is formed of light by water droplets. The answer is the total internal reflection. The rainbow is caused by sunlight and atmospheric conditions. The next question. Which of the following is not a matched? The right answer is D. The next question. Who developed atom bomb? The right answer is B. Next question. Who was inventor of an electron microscope? The right answer is A. The next question. X-ray was invented by. The right answer is B. Roentgen. Next. The echo is produced by the sound wave due to. The right answer is actually the right answer is D. The next question. The body's excluding feel falling motion is. The right answer is C. Equal acceleration. The next question. Which of the following is not the unit of time? The right answer is C. Light year. The light year means it is the distance measured from sun and earth. The next question. Certain substances lose their electrical resistance completely at super low temperature. Such as substances are called. The right answer is superconductors. Superconductors can carry a current indefinitely without losing energy. The next question. The angle between the magnetic meridian and geographical meridian at a place is, the right answer is known as declination. The declination means the deviation of the compass from true north is an angle is called declination. The next question. The formation of stationary wave, which one of the following does not occurs? The right answer is A. Because the stationary wave, the energy transmits from one place to another. That is the right answer. The next question. When sky is seen from an aeroplane at high altitude, it appears, the right answer is B. Because in the high altitude, there is no atmosphere, there is no particles in the vacuum. Then only when you are going up, the atmosphere, it becomes as a black in color. The next question. Galileo was an Italian astronomer who? The right answer is D. Pendulum produce an regular time measurements. This is the most important. Frequently they are asking that bit. The next question. Decibel is the unit of physical quantity used for. The right answer is C. The intensity of sound. The next question. The focal length of convex lens is. The right answer is B. Shorter for red light than blue. The next question. Which one can be used as a burning glass? Burning glass. The right answer is convex lens. It is a burning glass or burning lens. Is a large convex lens that can concentrate the sun rays on a small area. The next question is most important. Several times they are asking the question. 1 nautical mile is equal to. The right answer is B. 1.1508 miles. Sometimes they are give the answer also 1.852 kilometers also. The next question. The frequency of sound wave in the audible range. The audible range is generally 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Infrasonic, that 0 to 20 Hz only. Ultrasonic and ultrasonic is more than 20,000 Hz. Dogs can head 50,000. The bats can head 1 lakh. The ratio of transverse deformation and longitudinal deformation is called position ratio. The right answer is A. The next question, 46. 1 byte is equal to. The right answer is B. 8 bytes. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 bit is equal to 1 by 8 bytes. During short circuit, the current flow in the electricity is. The right answer is increasing intensity. Okay, that is the answer A. Generally reducing the susceptibility. A short circuit provides a low resistance path for the current to flow. The next question. Pascal is PA. Pascal is a unit for. The right answer is B. Pressure. The question. Next question. Lumen is the unit of. The right answer luminous flux. The next question. Candela is the unit of. The right answer is luminous intensity. The right answer is B. Okay, students. I hope it is very useful for to you. If you are like, please kindly subscribe, share and like my channel. Next week onwards, we are segregating physics, chemistry and biology. The physics and chemistry in 1 week and every week biology we are providing for you for your convenience, because time is very short. The physics, chemistry and biology we are providing 3 one time, chemistry or physics, chemistry or biology, but not like that. Now today onwards we are providing for you physics and chemistry 1 week and the next week biology. Every week the biology will be must be we are providing video for your convenience, because that biology is the big subject when compared to chemistry and physics. Okay guys, please kindly cooperate me, and we are please, I hope you are encouraging our channel. Thank you so much.